welcome back. I know it's been so long. So yes, you guys, I hope everything is okay. Now let's get into it. Okay, it's gonna be a crazy voiceover, but hey, just watch the video. So yeah, that's the hair I'll be using today. It's I got it from Amazon. It's a ombre hair, dark black to dark gray and black to light gray. Yes, shining gem, you need them part to be slick. So yes, as you guys can see, I already part my hair. Nothing fancy, just big box. They're not even box, some are rectangle. I don't know, it's not important. So yes, as you can see, I already part my hair. Nothing too fancy, like I said. So yeah, that's the bag. Boom boom, let's go. As you can see, I'll be using the elastic band method, which is really easy, you guys, especially if you're a beginner. So yeah, I told you, don't come for me. As you can see, my part, you're all over the place, crazy. But yeah, that's not important, because you know why? The front gonna cover the back. So so we're good. So yes, you guys, that's the hair. I like it and I don't. I'll tell you why soon. So yeah, um that's the easiest way, you guys, you can do your braids, especially if you're a beginner. As you can see, I just take a piece of hair and I just wrap it around my own hair. Like my hair is gonna be the third strand. So yes, you guys, you just take a piece of hair, you wrap it around yours. You're using your hair as the third strand, which is really easy. I'm sure you guys know that already. So yes, now let's get back to the hair, you guys. The it's okay. The quality, it could have been better, okay? Because I'll show you guys why I said I don't like it um in a bit. Because the end, it's like it's plastic, okay? It's plastic. I know it's synthetic hair, yes, but there are some good quality synthetic hair out there that I've used in the past. As you can see, the end is giving me so much trouble, you guys. It don't want to stay braided. It keep unravel. So yeah, I tried. Every time I try, it keep unravel. So yeah, I even tried to braid it tighter. It wasn't helping. So I end up putting some elastic band at the end. Just tie them with some elastic band. I don't know if I'll curl them, which I don't think it's gonna hold up the curls, so I might as well just leave it like that, or burn the end, which I'm not sure. I'm not a big fan, so like I said, I might as well leave it like that. So yes, you guys, as you can see now, that's the three strand method, where you take two pieces of hair. It give you four. When you loop it together, you're gonna use two of them gonna become one. As you can see, now it's become three. Two piece become four strand become three strand. I know you guys get it, okay? If you don't get it, I'm sure you'll see, oh, you'll find another video on YouTube, or I'll make one just to explain you guys how to do it. And here I also part my hair in three strands too, like the part with the rubber band. I also separate it in three. I hope that makes sense, okay? Instead of looping it around like the first one that I did in the back, I separate my hair in three, so I can put each piece to the braiding here. I'm sorry, you guys. As you guys can see, I'm bad at explaining stuff, okay? I know you get it, you're smart. So yes, you guys, like I said, it's been a while since I upload. How you guys doing? Like, what's going on? What's new? Let me know in the comment section, okay, you guys? I want to hear from you guys, because I know things are crazy right now. And whatever it is that you're going through right now, I hope you know that you're not alone, okay? And you're not the only one, and it's gonna not gonna stay like that forever. So yeah, stay positive, okay? So yes, you guys, let's get back to the video. As you guys can see right here, I'm doing the same thing that I did on the back. I just wrap the braiding hair around my hair using my own hair as the third strand. It's really easy, you guys. It's really simple. So yes, you guys, like, you guys, it's like like I said, I know I haven't been upload any video. It's like, you guys, sometimes I don't know, it's like I wanna make a video, I don't know what video to make. So yeah, y'all need to help me with that. Like, let me know what kind of video that you guys wanna see. And I don't know, these braids, I don't know how long they will hold up to because of the hair, but I'll let you guys know. My hair, you guys, I don't know if I'm stressed or what, they keep falling. Okay. um I have so much breakage right now, it's crazy. um so yes, you guys, I really like the color of this hair. That's why I get it in the first place. But I'm not too happy with the quality. But the color, especially this one, the dark gray, I love it. It's really, really nice. So yes, you guys, it's just me showing you guys some more clips of me braiding the hair. As you can see, I just add some shining gem at the end because my ends were kind of dry. I don't want them to stick around the braiding hair. And yes, when you braiding your hair, please, you guys, make sure you tuck your ends inside of the braiding hair. All right, don't let your ends exposed because that's how they get dry, and that's how you get breakage, split ends and all that. So make sure you tuck them inside, and always keep your hair moisturized. All right. So that will help. So yeah, that's, like I said, that's the reason why I'm braiding them right now. So yes, because I have so much breakage, I just want to give them a break. So yes, you guys, if you're still here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now. All right, it's not gonna cost a thing. All right, just subscribe to me, only if you want. Okay, but I'll be happy if you do. So yes, you guys, that's pretty much it. You can stick around. Like I said, it's just me showing you guys some more clip of me doing the hair. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and like I said, please let me know what you guys wanna see. All right, if you want more hair videos or more makeup videos, let me know. All right. So yeah. And you guys, don't forget to check out my store. I'll leave it in the comment. If not, it's www.thelavishbabe.com. All right. I have some good soap for you guys, lashes, lip glosses, and all that. You'll find something that you like. All right, go and support your girl. So yes, you guys, as you can see, I end up putting the elastic band at the end. So that is all, you guys, for this video. As you can see, the dark gray is really, really nice. I love the color. I'm not sure about the light gray in the bag, but it's whatever, it's already done, so it's gonna stay. So yes, you guys, don't forget to subscribe. All right, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Stay blessed, Julies. I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye.